Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this time, our group will explain about microscope. This presentation is fulfill a physics assignment. Next. There are two basic types of optical microscopes. One, simple microscopes. A simple microscope is one that uses a single lens for magnification. And two, compound microscope. Compound microscope use several lenses to enhance the magnification of an object. Next. Simple microscope definition. It uses a lens to enlarge an object through angular magnification alone, giving the viewer an erect enlarged virtual image. The use of a single convex lens or groups of lenses is found in simple magnification devices such as the magnifying glass, loops, and eyepiece for telescopes and microscopes. It is actually a convex lens of small focal length, which is used for seeing the magnified image of small objects. Next. Principle of simple microscope. A simple microscope works on the principle that when a tiny object is placed within its focus, a virtual, erect, and magnified image of the object is formed at the less distance of distinct vision from the eye held close to the lens.
Instrumentation of simple microscope. The microscope has several parts, namely eye speeds, mouse speeds, body, objective, specimen snake, and aperture diagram, light and base. Figure. Simple microscope diagram the parts of a simple microscope. 1. Mechanical parts. 2. Optical parts. Next. 1. Mechanical parts. These parts support the optical part and help in their adjustment for focusing the object. They include the following components. 1. Metal stand. It has a heavy base plate and a vertical rod fit to it, which provide support and stability to other parts of the microscope. 2. Stack. It is a rectangular metal plate fit to the vertical rod. It has a central hole for light to pass from below. Slide with the specimen to be observed is kept on the stack in such as a way that the specimen remains just on the central hole. Some microscopes have a pair of slanting wings projecting from both sides of the stack. They provide support to hand for manipulating the object. 2. Optical parts. These parts are involved in passing the light through the object or specimen and magnifying its size. The components of the optical parts are as follows. 1. Mirror. A plano-convex mirror is fixed below the stick to the vertical rod by means of a frame. It focuses the surrounding light on the object to the observer. 2. Lens. A biconvex lens is fixed above the stick to the vertical rod by means of a frame. It magnifies the size of the object and the enlarged virtual image form is observed by keeping the eye above it. For proper focusing, the lens can be moved up and down by the frame.
Okay, there is some formula to answer the next question. First, the maximum accommodating a microscope magnification formula. M equal to SOP accent per SOP multiple by SN per FOK plus 1. Second, the A microscope magnification formula does not accommodate. M equal by equal to SOB accent per SOB multiple by SN per FOK. Third, microscope length formula. D equal to SOB accent plus FOK or D equal to SOB accent plus SOK. This is information about formula above. M is magnification of the microscope image. SOB accent is distance of the first image to the objective lens. SOP is distance of object to objective lens. SN is point near the eye. SOK is distance of object to ocular lens. FOK is focus of the ocular lens. FOP is the focus of the objective lens. Exercise 1. A student with normal eyes have SN 25 cm conducted an experiment with the data below. The magnification of the microscope is from the picture above. We know problem is known. SOP is at 1.2 cm. FOP is 1 cm. FOK is 5 cm. D is 10 cm. SN is 25 cm. The image above shows the formation of a microscope image for the A with maximum accommodation. The way to answer this question is as follows. So the conclusion of this calculation, we know magnification or M is 30 times. Next.
Exercise 2. The focal distance of the objective lens of microscope is 2 cm and the ocular is 2.5 cm. An object is placed 2.5 cm in front of the objective lens. If the microscope is used with the eye not accommodated, the microscope magnification is SM is 25 cm. Next. In this problem, it is known FOB is 20 cm, FOK 2.5 cm, SOB 2.5 cm, SN 25 cm. Before we try to find the magnification, we have to find the image distance from the objective lens. From this formula, we know that the SOB accent is 10 cm. After we know the SOB accent, we can find the magnification with this formula. So the microscope magnification is 40 times.
Exercise 3. It is known that the power of the objective lens of microscope is 55 diopters and the strength of the ocular lens is 20 diopters. If the object is placed at a distance of 2 cm in front of the objective and the eye cannot accommodate SN is 25 cm, then the microscope magnification is, in this problem, it is known POB is 55G, POK is 20G, SOB is 2 cm, SN is 25 cm. The way to answer this question is as follows. In this calculation, we have found FOK that is 5 cm. And then next, we determine SOB accent. And then we found with calculation, and we have found SOB accent is 20 centimeters. The magnification of the microscope is as follows, and we have found the magnification is 50 times.
Exercise 4. Look at the image formation by the microscope below. If the beam that comes out of the ocular lens is a parallel beam, distance between the objective lens and the ocular is next. In this problem, it is known as OP 2.2 cm, FOP 2 cm, FOK 8 cm. How to calculate the length of the microscope as follows. And the conclusion is D equals to 30 cm. Next. Exercise 5. Note the image formation of the X optical instrument below. Object A is placed 3 cm from the objective lens. If the focal lengths of the objective and ocular lens are 2 cm and 6 cm respectively, the magnification of the image angle that occurs is Sn equals to 30 cm. Next. In this problem, it is known as OP 3 cm, FOP 2 cm, FOK is 6 cm, Sn is 30 cm. Next. The image above shows the formation of a microscope image for an unsolved eye. This is because the image of object A is placed right in the FOK or focus of the ocular lens. From the calculation, we have conclusion. Magnification of microscope is 10 times.